Have you wondered if 2025 will be the right time to buy or sell your home? Maybe you've been keeping an eye on the market, asking yourself, should I make a move now or wait a little longer? Whether you're living in Des Moines or considering moving to Des Moines, understanding what's happening in the housing market this year could be the key to making a confident, informed decision. Watch to the end of this video as you'll have all the information that you need to navigate the 2025 housing market. Welcome to the channel. I'm Blake Alewelt, owner of the Bravo Ridge Group. And today we're diving into what we believe the 2025 housing market will look like. This is a big topic, and it's crucial for everyone thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate this year. We'll look at national trends, local insights for Des Moines, and actionable tips that can help you make a smart decision. Let's jump right in. First off, we want to cover the overview of the 2025 housing market. Looking at what happened in 2024, 2025 is poised to be a pivotal year for the housing market, with both challenges and opportunities. After a rough couple years marked by rising interest rates, demand shifts, and fluctuating inventory levels, we're seeing signs of stabilization. And what does that mean? It means a more balanced market where buyers and sellers can both find opportunities, but only if you understand the dynamics at play. On a national level, experts are predicting modest home price growth this year. While the days of double-digit annual increases might be behind us, steady growth of 3 to 5% is expected in most areas. For cities like Des Moines here, where housing remains relatively affordable compared to larger metros, we could see slightly higher growth, driven by an influx of buyers relocating for better value and quality of life. As expected, interest rates will be a major factor shaping the 2025 market. While rates are expected to remain higher than the ultra-low levels that we want, they're also predicted to stabilize in that 5.5% to 6.5% range. This is good news for buyers who've been hesitant due to volatility, or for sellers who might see more consistent demand as buyers feel more confident about locking in their financing. So what's the overall takeaway? 2025 will offer a more predictable market, but you still need strategy, timing, pricing, and understanding local trends that will be key to making it a good purchase or sale. Now, before we cover what buyers and sellers should expect from the market, I ask that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what you think will happen in 2025. I'm interested to hear your thoughts. So let's get back to the video. Next, let's cover what buyers can expect. If you're looking at buying in 2025, like me, you're entering a market that offers more options than we've seen in recent years, but there are still some challenges to navigate. Let's break this down. Inventory levels are improving, and that's one of the best pieces of news for buyers this year. Over the past few years, we faced a severe inventory shortage, and in some areas, we still are, with many homes receiving multiple offers within days of hitting the market. Now, thanks to increased new construction and more homeowners deciding it's time to sell, buyers finally have more choices. For those looking in Des Moines, this means you'll find a wider range of homes across different price points, whether you are searching for a starter home or something more luxurious. However, affordability is still a key concern. Rising home prices combined with higher mortgage rates mean that budgeting is more important than ever. Buyers need to account not just for the monthly payment, but also for additional costs like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. For example, if you're buying a $300,000 home in Des Moines, your monthly costs could vary significantly depending on the neighborhood's tax rate and that condition of that particular home. One trend that's worth noting, and we've covered it in other videos, is the growing demand for energy-efficient homes. Buyers in 2025 are prioritizing properties that features like solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, and smart thermostats. These upgrades not only save money over time, but also align with the increasing emphasis on sustainability and flexibility. If you're a buyer, consider long-term value in these features. They might cost a bit more upfront, but they'll usually pay off in lower utility bills or increase your resale value down the road. Now let's cover the other side. What sellers should know. Sellers, 2025 is your year to shine, but only if you approach the market strategically. With more homes on market, buyers have more options, which means your home needs to stand out. The first thing to consider is pricing. Gone are the days when we could list your home at any price and expect it to sell within a week. Today's buyers are smart, and they're looking for value. Pricing your home competitively from the start is absolutely crucial. Overpricing can lead to your home sitting on the market stagnant, which can create the perception that something is wrong with it. Working with a realtor who understands the local market is essential for getting this right. Buyers in 2025 are also more selective than ever. They're looking for move-in ready homes with modern features and minimal repairs needed. If your home needs a little TLC, consider making small upgrades before listing it. Fresh paint, updated light fixtures, and a well-maintained yard can go a long way in attracting buyers. Another important factor is marketing. Like we've covered earlier, highlighting your home's unique features, whether it's energy efficient upgrades, proximity to top rated schools, or stunning outdoor space, can make all the difference. Make sure your listing photos are high quality and showcase the best aspects of your home. Now that we know what to expect, let's cover a few possible trends to watch for in 2025. So, we believe this housing market will be influenced by several key trends that both buyers and sellers need to be aware of. One major trend will be the ongoing migration to affordable cities like Des Moines. As remote work becomes more normal, more people are choosing to leave high-cost metros in favor of cities that offer a lower cost of living and a higher quality of life. This influx of new residents is driving demand here in our local market, particularly in family-friendly suburbs like Ankeny and Waukee. Like we spoke about before, sustainability is another big focus this year. Homes with energy-efficient features are not just desirable, they're becoming the standard. For sellers, this means highlighting any eco-friendly upgrades that you already have in your home. For buyers, it means considering the long-term savings of these features. Finally, we're seeing a growing demand for flexible living spaces. With more people working from home, buyers are looking for homes with dedicated office spaces or a versatile room that can be adapted to their needs. Sellers, if you have a room that can be staged as an office or a gym, make sure to highlight it in your listing or have your agent do it. Next, let's cover what the role of technology will be in 2025. Technology will play a transformative role in the real estate industry, reshaping how homes are bought, sold, and even experienced. Both buyers and sellers need to be aware of these technological advancements to leverage them efficiently. Let's start with virtual tours and augmented reality, or AR. Virtual tours have become very popular in real estate listings, allowing buyers to explore homes from the comfort of their own living room. These tours go beyond static photos, offering 360-degree views and the ability to walk through a property virtually. Some listings even use augmented reality to let buyers visualize how their furniture might look in the space. For buyers considering homes in Des Moines but living out of state, these tools can save time and money by narrowing down options before scheduling in-person visits. And remember what I said, we will see many people moving from other high-cost areas. On the seller side, using these technologies can set your property apart. Imagine a potential buyer touring your home virtually at 10 p.m. after putting their kids to bed. That convenience makes your listing more attractive, especially in a competitive market. Now let's talk about big data and artificial intelligence, or AI. Real estate platforms now use AI to analyze market trends, predict pricing, and match buyers with properties that fit their preferences. For instance, if you're a buyer looking for homes in West Des Moines with a big backyard and modern finishes, AI algorithms can sift through thousands of listings to show you the ones that best match your criteria. You can use my website at bravoridge.com to put in the criteria that perfectly matches what you are wanting, and it can automatically send you all the homes in the area that match that criteria. For sellers, there are AI-driven pricing tools that can help you determine the optimal list price for your home based on current market conditions, comparable sales, and even local demand. We realtors are leveraging these technologies to provide more accurate and timely advice, ensuring our clients stay ahead of the curve. Did you know that blockchain technology is beginning to revolutionize the closing process? Smart contracts, digital ledgers offer a more secure and transparent way to handle real estate transactions, reducing the risk of fraud and speeding up the process. While this technology is still gaining traction, it's something to watch for as it becomes more widely adopted in the years to come. We are consistently using software that helps with signing forms, order inspections and appraisals, and aid in closing quickly. You must know the challenges we will face. While the 2025 housing market will offer plenty of opportunities, it's not without its challenges. Being aware of these hurdles can help buyers and sellers navigate the landscape more effectively and avoid potential mistakes. One significant challenge is affordability. With home prices continuing to rise and mortgage rates stabilizing at higher levels than in previous years, like we spoke about, affordability will remain a key concern for many buyers. For my first-time home buyers out there, saving for a down payment while managing those monthly payments can feel exhausting. This is especially true in areas experiencing an influx of demand, like Des Moines, where increased interest from out-of-state buyers has driven up competition. Sellers, while rising prices might seem like a win, affordability challenges can actually shrink your pool of potential buyers. This is where strategic pricing comes into play. Working with a local realtor who understands your market and can help you set a price that attracts serious buyers without undervaluing your property. Inventory disparities are another challenge. While inventory levels are improving overall, certain price ranges and property types remain scarce. For example, entry-level homes under $200,000 are still in very short supply, making it difficult for first-time buyers to enter the market. On the flip side, luxury properties face much lower demand, requiring sellers to market their homes creatively and be prepared for longer selling timelines. Another pressing issue is the ongoing impact of inflation on construction costs. Builders are facing higher costs for materials and labor, which can lead to delays and increased prices for new construction homes. Buyers considering new builds in 2025 should budget for potential cost overruns and extend the timelines. Because of the times we are in, economic uncertainty is always a factor to consider. While the job market remains strong and the economy is showing resilience, global events and policy changes can impact consumer confidence. Buyers and sellers should be prepared to adapt to shifting conditions and seek guidance from experienced professionals to make informed decisions. I get how this sounds coming from an agent, but I would say this even if we don't work together. We agents have access to so much information and relationships that we have made throughout our careers. You can lean on us to save you thousands of dollars. And despite these challenges, the 2025 housing market remains full of potential. By understanding these obstacles and planning strategically, both buyers and sellers can navigate the market with confidence and achieve your goals. Whether you're living in Des Moines or thinking about moving to Des Moines, staying informed is the key to making smart real estate decisions. If you have questions about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, I'm here to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what you think will happen in 2025. I'm interested to see what our predictions were a year from now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.